We're going to be plating the passion twist. So welcome to our tutorial, and I'm by the names of Maurice, the crochet master. Thank you so much for subscribing to our channel. We're going to be doing the passion twist from this natural hair. I remember on the previous video I uploaded was showing you how you can do the passion twist with a straight hair. The relaxed hair. So this is natural hair, and I'm going to be using this true method. The true method comes when you have to start with threes, just a half inch, and then you do the twisting. It is very simple, and it makes your passion twist to last longer than starting it with twist. Because the passion twist at the hairpiece is very soft, very soft. So if you can't use this system, that means it may it comes out quickly, because it is slippery. So this is how we're going to use this method. And I told you that, please, the gel is very important when you're trying to do the passion twist. So let's do as parting the way we always do the threes from down. This is how I'm going to start, and you see how I do it. 1 2, I hold them that side, and then I try to plait it that way. It's only thing that I do it once and that twice. That quarter inch is already done. Then when I'm done with that, I'm going to get a small piece from the my passion hair piece, like that. Then I roll it and tie it, understand, very tight, so that I can start my twisting. The twisting here is very you should be careful when you're trying to twist. Like when you still have hair, the raw hair inside, when you're twisting, it always normal, like it is always simple. You have to make it a little bit hard. But when you're finishing the twisting, after reaching on the passion twist, like on the hair piece, after leaving the hair, when you have left the hair and then you're on the piece twisting, that one you can be as soft as possible. The other one, to be a little bit hard, is to try to make sure that the hair is firm. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how it is. So that is my twist, and she's trying to check it out if it's the passion twist we're thinking of having. So that's the only way you can keep on doing the passion twist to make it last longer. And trust me, this way, the way I start, after like a month or even 3 weeks or even 1 month and a half, someone can come back and we lock them, and they become new again. So this is the good way to start. Please, you can also learn this way of starting. It will help you a lot. Like, you just start with threads from down in just like a half inch. Though when you're done with that, you get a hair piece, a small hair piece, and then you tie it very tight, like the way you're saying it. Then I tie it very tight, just like that. So when I tie it, it's when I start doing the twisting. So guys, I want you to subscribe so that we get to learn all these things, because I told you I like sharing ideas. And if you have any comment, like if you have any question that you want to ask me, please go in my comment section, ask anything. And I want to big up to all our friends who are watching right now in New York, uh, uh, UK, Philippines, Netherlands, Turkey, United Emirates, Oman, those ones in Saudi Arabia. We love you so much. Yeah, when it comes to people in Kenya, Tanzania, and Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, guys, you're doing a great job. So let's keep on learning with the Hair Zipper YouTube channel. We will know what to do after, and I believe that you also start creating your own styles. Yes, so you can see what I do, and then you also try to combine to get your own style. Because if I try to tell you this, for me, all the things I'm doing, I didn't learn them from school. Yes, I just learned the basics. You understand? And those ones help me to see that right now I can create more styles myself. Yes, and I can think of something, and whenever I think of any style, I make sure I try it out. And whenever I keep on trying it, you find it looks very lovely and unique most of the time. So this is the passion twist, and guys, this is the note you should know. You're be very careful when it comes to plating someone with a lot of hair. You understand? Because if someone has got backed hair, you have to count. Yeah, when you're trying to do these passion twists, always try to count. Like you shouldn't make it to be too much when someone can't hold that simple puff. The way it looks, something that is very long, you're holding a puff, and it's that long, it looks very nice than packing it. And when someone can't hold a puff, then it just looks funny, and it won't give you the good results. So we are meant to be.
Baby, so now we are meant
Yeah, I've been looking for the girl, Sherry, you're so fine. I'm thinking about how I gotta make you mine. Got a name when you troll it, baby, I'm alone. If you don't believe it, he just check my phone. Free, and tell me what you want. Second to
Yes, so I was trying to explain, like, whenever you're doing the box, they are very nice, like, because it look, when you arrange them in the box format, they look packed when they are not packed. So that's the good thing. So you should always learn how to do these boxes, and make sure you arrange them very perfect, because whenever it's arranged very perfectly, it always gives you a nice and a good result. So let's take a look on how we can keep on doing the passion twist. And guys, trust me, it is so lovely. It's a very nice hair, because it is soft, it can protect your hairline, it can still protect your normal hair. So this is nice for you guys. And I've been getting those people asking, like, the hair pieces that I use. It's called a water wave. Yeah, so you can get it, and you try on doing this. Though that some people are doing passion twist in some other way. There's some other material they use to get the passion twist. So for right now, let's say we should mind the name being passion twist. Maybe the look. Yeah, just mind the look. If you do it your own way and comes out very nicely, then that's good. So right now we're doing the passion twist, and guys, try to look at it very perfectly. What new you will learn a lot from this. I told you to start this way. It's very nice. That hair grow, like, it always grows with when the hair is growing, it comes with a braid, because remember I'm starting with the threads from down. So, and after, I can still lock it when it is old. That's why I always start with that. So let's keep on doing this, and guys, trust me, we shall get to learn more things about the passion twist. So maybe next time I can upload a video showing you how she came back to do the repair and how I managed to repair it. So this is how we're going to be doing this.
I can say it's Steve Morris and JK.
This is for you. This is for you. Oh, this is for you.
Baby, we have some fun daily. I will give you all tonight if that's what you want. So just keep my love, baby. Newe oyunganzire ebakakubura bwano njunyireke ne bandu babe kasibanzire elflangiri tunehauma. Fashion book, feel proud cause you have me. I'm good, you see, I told you. Now this for you, to show you that I miss you. I wanna take to the party, hold your hand and show off to everybody. You and me gon' shine, pink jeans, can't wait to buy a diamond and gold chains. Come close, I give you a kiss. I love you when I see you from far. Sabache, I gotta be tongue. I love you, I miss you, put it down far.
Kulaba bulamu bwakyuka yegwe gwe nalabanga mu biroto byange nakulonda mu bangi wadde ebizibu bingi kusuubiza n'omukwano mungi gwe nange nze naawe forever we are meant to be.
See how it looks, very nicely. See how it looks. I like it already. You see, it is very nice and soft. So let's get to enjoy our passion twist, and trust me, you're going to like it too. So see it, look at it and see how I'm going to be holding the path and how she's going to enjoy the passion twist. She's going to show you how she's going to show you how flexible it is. I love you so much, and by the names of Morris, the crochet master, yes, keep loving Hair Zipper. We love you so much. I sign out.
Baby, together forever we are meant to be.
Baby, so now we are meant
yeah, I've been looking for the girl, Sherry, you're so fine. I'm thinking about how I gotta make you mine. Gotta know when you troll it, baby, I'm alone. If you don't believe it, he just check my phone. Free, and tell me what you want, so I can take you there, baby, we have some fun daily. I will give you all tonight if that's what you want. So just keep my love, baby. Newe oyunganzire ebakakubura bwano njunyireke ne bandu babe kasibanzire elflangiri tunehauma. shop, fashion book, feel proud cause you have me. I'm good, you see, I told you. Now this for you, to show you that I miss you. I wanna take to the party, hold your hand and show off to everybody. You and me gon' shine, pink jeans, can't wait to buy a diamond and gold chains. Come closer, give you a kiss. I love you when I see you from far. Sabache, I gotta be touch. I love you, I miss you, put it down far.